let us solve a word problem of this type in this exercise, that is question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Two people are given and their ratio of their ages is given, that is 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. The present ratio of their age is given, and after 4 years, the ratio of their ages is 3:4. Find their present age. So we need to find how old are they now. So what information have been given about the present age, that is the first statement or first condition. Let us write it and proceed. So it is given that the ages of Harry and Harry equal to I should write the ratio of ages equals to 5:7. Let us consider, see, it is the ratio is 5:7, means one says is 5 part and the other says 7 part. So we will consider present age of Hari equals to 5x and present age of Harry to be 7x. अगर एक का 5x हुआ, 5 पार्ट हुआ, तो अदर दूसरा का 7 पार्ट यानी 7x होगा. If these are the present ages, we are again given that 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. मीन्स 4 साल के बाद उनका एज क्या होगा पहले निकालना पड़ेगा, फिर उनका रेशियो कंपेयर करेंगे. 4 years from now the age of Hari will be 5x. Sorry, I should write it below. Age of Hari, अगर present age is 5x now, then after 4 years the age will be simply 5x plus 4. 4 साल बाद यानी plus 4. If I am 24 now, then after 4 years I will be 24 plus 4, that is 28. Similar is the case here. So age of Harry, इसका क्या होगा, इसका तो प्रेजेंट एज 7x है. सो आफ्टर 4 years द एज विल बी 7x plus 4. फिर क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, 4 years from now the ratio of the ages will be 3:4. So according to question, let us quote that statement. Means the ratio of these two ages will be 3:4. If we write it mathematically, therefore 5x plus 4 total divided by 7x plus 4, this is equal to 3:4, means 3 divided by 4. Now see, this is the form that we used to solve in previous questions. अब क्या करेंगे, we need to follow the cross multiplication step. Now put the arrow sign 5x plus 4, this will be multiplied by 4, equal to 7x plus 4, this is to be multiplied with 3. In the next step, open the brackets. So 5x into 4 plus 4 into 4. This is equal to, again similar is the step here, 7x into 3 plus 4 into 3. This implies 5 4s are 20, this is 20x plus 4 4s are 16. This is equals to 7 3s are 21, x plus 4 3s are 12. We have already solved this type of equations in previous questions. Now transpose 21x to keep it together with 20x. In the next step, I will write 20x minus 21x. It was plus here, will be subtracted here. What is already present is 12. 16 will be transposed to RHS. So it is supposed to be minus 16 because it was plus earlier in LHS. So now subtract 21 from 20. So as 21 is greater, it will be minus 1. 21 is greater, so the result will be negative according to the greater number. So this is minus 1x. Now subtract 16 from 12. As 16 is greater, the result will be negative and it is 4. The difference is 4. So minus 1x is supposed to be minus 1 into x equal to minus 4. Now we need to remove this minus 1 from here because we require the value of x, not minus x. So keep x here. What already present is minus 4. Bring minus 1 to the other side and it will be divided here. 4 divided by 1 is 4, and as there are two negative numbers, so the value of x will be 4, positive 4. So we found the value of x, and now we need to find the percentage of Hari and Harry. We had considered it as 5x and 7x, and we will find their values. Therefore, the present age of Hari is equal to, this is 5x. So this is 5 into 4. I have put the value of x here. This is equals to 20 years. 5 4s are 20. Similarly, the present age of Harry equals to 7x. This is equal to 7 into 4. That is 28 years. I expect that you have understood this problem thoroughly. If any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.